Hello students, today we'll see the nomenclature of amides. Now what are amides? The compounds which contain dash C double bond O NH2 as a functional group are called as amides. या फिर इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं डैश CONH2। ठीक है, तो अभी अमाइड्स के भी टाइप होते हैं। डैश सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ NH2 को बोलते हैं हम प्राइमरी अमाइड। उसके बाद अगर हमारे पास नाइट्रोजन पे सब्सटीट्यूशन हो, जैसे कि वहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन आर से रिप्लेस हुआ हो, तो उसे बोलेंगे सेकेंडरी अमाइड। एंड लाइकवाइज अगर नाइट्रोजन पे दो हाइड्रोजन हमने आर से रिप्लेस किए हो, तो उसे बोलेंगे टर्चरी अमाइड। इट इज कॉल्ड एज टर्चरी अमाइड. So this is how amides are classified. Now we'll see the IUPAC name of the amides. Now first of all, what you have to do? You will count the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain. How many carbon atoms are there in the longest chain? Total are 2 carbon atom, means the parent alkane will be ethane. तो अभी इस केस में क्या करना है? You have to replace E of alkane by the amide, so you will get it as a ethanamide. In the same way, how many carbon atoms are there in the longest chain? 3. 3 carbon wala alkane is a propane, so we will write here propane, replace E by amide, so it will become a propanamide. Now in this case we are having substituent, so for that purpose we are going to select the longest chain. Then we will start the numbering from the those end of the chain from which the carbon containing C double bond ONH2 will get the lowest possible number. तभी इस केस में यहाँ से नंबरिंग करेंगे 1 2 3 4 और 5, और ये वाला क्या है, इसमें सब्सटीट्यूएंट है। तो पहले सब्सटीट्यूएंट का नाम लिखेंगे। इट appears at 2 position, that's why we will write its name as a 2-methyl. Longest chain contain total 5 carbon atom, means parent alkane is a pentane. Replace E of alkane by amide, so the name will become pentanamide. 2-methyl pentanamide is the correct name. Now all these three examples were the example of primary amide. Now we are going to see the secondary amides. अभी secondary amide में हमें यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? Substituent occurs at the nitrogen atom. So if it is present on nitrogen, we will indicate it by capital N. अगर substituent nitrogen पे है तो उसे capital N से indicate करेंगे. What is the name of that substituent? Methyl. So we will write it as a N-methyl. Total carbon atom are 3. So parent alkane will be definitely propane. Replace E by amide. So the name will become 2-methyl propanamide. N-methyl propanamide. So now we are having another example where again it is the secondary amide, because at nitrogen atom there is alkyl group, that is methyl, and we are having one more substituent on the longest chain. So select the longest chain. This is a substituent. Again we have to number the carbon atom in the longest chain. So numbering will be 1 2 3 and 4. So there are two substituent at nitrogen and there is on longest chain at third position, so we will write its name as a N comma 3 dimethyl. One methyl group at the nitrogen atom, other methyl group at the third carbon atom of the longest chain. So N comma 3 dimethyl. Longest chain contain total 4 carbon atom, that's why butane. And we are again replacing the E of alkane by the word amide. Now in another example we are having tertiary amide, because there are two substituent at the nitrogen atom. So how we are going to write its name? At nitrogen atom there are two substituent, that's why we will mention their position separately as N comma N. Two methyl groups are there, that's why dimethyl. Longest chain contain 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbon atom means hexane. Replace E of amide, E of alkane by amide, that's why the name will become hexanamide. Now in another example we are again having tertiary amide, but this time we are having two different substituent. So we will write the name of substituent according to their alphabetical order. At nitrogen atom there is a ethyl group, so N-ethyl, and on nitrogen atom there is one more alkyl group, that is methyl, that's why it is N-methyl. N-ethyl, N-methyl. Longest chain contain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. That's why it will be written as a butanamide. Now we are having one more example, that is aromatic amide. And in this case, the amide group is present on the benzene ring. That's why it is called as benzamide. What can be its name? Benzamide. Now we are having the next example in which we are having cyclohexyl group. That's why we will write its name as a cyclohexane. But in this case, since the carbon of the amide group is not counted in the parent, that's why we will separately call it as a carbo. And we are having oxygen, that's why carbox. And at the end, we will write the word amide. So carb, ox, and this NH2 indicates amide. That's why the name will become carboxamide. So that's all about the nomenclature of amides. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care.